Right now we're walking right beside the Pompei area, and we just got through security to be able to get in. So yeah, we're gonna start touring around Pompei.
There's very little tourists here. Yeah. So we get to enjoy Pompei mostly for us.
Yep. An ancient city, Pompeii, which was buried at the 79 AD eruption of Mount Vesuvius. The Forum is the most destroyed place in Pompeii, but is also the most visited place too. These stones on the street were used as pedestrian crossing 2,000 years ago when it was raining. House of the Faun is the biggest house in Pompeii, covering a whole block. If you look very closely, you can see grooves in the street created by chariots 2,000 years ago. It was so hot in Pompeii that we need to bring our huge umbrella while touring to shade us.
Honey-soaked light in star-kissed skies, falling fast in love, I'm paralyzed. If you take my hand, I'll show you that we can make it through this together. I know you'll catch me. I know you'll catch me. I know you'll catch me.
Okay, right now we're driving and we're almost at our 6,000 kilometers point for YOLO. 60,000 kilometers point. That's how far YOLO has been driving for this whole trip. I got lemon, like same, and mint. And I got Smarties and white chocolate.
And a white mustache. Okay.
Here, Max.
What city are you in?
Naples. It's like not very far from Pompeii. Naples, Napoli. We have no idea how to pronounce it. Less than half-hour drive.
What are you doing now?
Eating some
Why does it look different?
because we eat fried. And they got pizza dough. Put all the stuff you'd have on pizza on it, but put another layer of pizza dough and deep fry it.
How is it?
Chocolate is different.
I haven't tried it.
Not bad. So this is the deep fried pizza from Napoli with ricotta cheese, salami, and more stuff inside. It's actually not bad. Deep fried dough.
Is it good for you?
Probably not, but once in a while, you have to try it if you're in Naples.
After Pompeii and Naples, we drove to the Amalfi Coast. It was a nice drive as the sun was setting in the background.
I think I made it out, so now it's time to live. But I'm not satisfied, now I want everything. Flying above the clouds, I'm gonna have it all. I'm never coming back, I'm never coming down. I want money, fame, and power. I want pretty trees and flowers.
Hello.
Tasty
Right now we we parked YOLO on this nice restaurant parking. It's fancy garage. And we're just looking at the view here. And what's this place called again?
Sorrento.
Sorrento.
I want you.
Right now, YOLO's been through a lot, all the off-roading stuff, and so YOLO's got pretty dirty, and right now we're just car washing YOLO from the free water here. And yeah, I'm all wet, as you can see with my hair.
I want pretty trees and flowers. I want tasty, sweet and sour. I want liquor till I'm drowning. I want